is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah, it's a natural thing. The boss sweet, sweet love.
Okay, wajia tum.
Yeah.
So no so betwen kopensem be wale.
Aye.
Any be ma ready me nyana hwe. Because me pa there.
Hey, o time e twemu pa.
Me dey anka be yedene. Hey.
No fa wo girl.
O say.
O girl.
O David.
Oni mami bia.
Ndimbe ma ko jiskadro na mae.
O say.
Ndimbe ma ko jiskadro na mae. Bibi are fine.
Hey, o fa kan temo.
Ja be ne de. Ti se yembo mpa.
Last time me ti say mami bia o ti ase o girl no.
Ni na ja. One na da o tan do. Good. And you was saying too much. So I was in the hotel. On team hotel price betum. Me ko hone be jihande si.
So for onye sako hotel na o ma yedi guy wo fie no.
One day
for any paboni ni yes.
Bravaging for instrument culture of life.
Hey.
Yes, sometimes as a woman being no, you have to be borrowed. Borrowed and fear yourself as a real person. You shouldn't any growth.
Like we dey alcohol no here fa. Mo bro fa na kan no fa ne.
Fa ni wiem. O dey o so unye serious wa brabo. Nti na na ma. Nkomo aye di no. Nserew. Sene a wo nema no wo yo no. Ye ne sa. Mpese mi nsa besi form. Na ma wo secret nso.
Enye mi secret.
Enye wo secret. You see your secret is your power. We are say so ton wonu mu nsem a na atamfo nya wo na de bonyefo nya wo then be keep you secret a eboa wo na mo so be keep you secret na nyo wo fa se ne anu city ye no sabio
na see your secret is your power
na me ka say me no de enye secret power sem because ye woni ma bi wo wa mfa ntomanim amama hu na mama wo sabio mpayindwena Mahaw
Matias
sanso betum wo wiase
Matias
de eguma adwene ne nya bi ne gu adwene mi
Matias
me kura na asabi o menya panyini no nno share ideas na ntise wo akura nti na sometimes o de ade asie ma ne nwira ho no
Matias
biribia no bie niema ni su kyerem na memma ho mpanyindwene sane ebe ya pia bontena bia be ka se akura ya tete ne wo fie ya tete ni Kristosu mu ya manifie nyansa sana ma ne Bible mu nyansa wo san wo school nyansa didi mbiem ba de niema sie ni manhu niema nia me de na manhu de yakona ma manhu nyansa
famati
tinsra ofri na ekro no hweye sana na ma wonfa bibia nsio wofa
pache
bibia ni aka kyerem
mati
wo ideas bia ne ndi amawo se hwe no de ahia wo ka no so ya me say continue
mati
what de make he
So I me jam for me dey atum parents for why yeah first
Take no miss me. Come. Why are you doing this? I've been waiting for your call.
Intro na menya day.
But you're my babe. What are you saying? You were supposed to even call me and apologize. You know what you did was wrong, right?
What am I doing? Please, can you get out for me?
Get out?
Yeah.
Why? I'm not going anywhere. This is my baby's house and I'm staying here. I'm sorry.
Wait me piano.
Come.
Hey, what am I? Okay, me
come to me, baby.
Can you get out for me?
Get out?
Yes.
Okay, look into my eyes and tell me to get out.
Menya ho, Mr.
Who? Okay, if you have a visitor, let me talk to that person. In case if there's any problem, I can call the person and talk to her or him.
I say I get a visitor. So
you get what? I want to see that visitor,
no.
Please. Why? What's going on? I'm not going anywhere. I'm staying here.
Ajua.
Amma, what the fuck are you doing here?
I should be asking you that.
Asking me what? He's my man. What are you doing here? Babe, what is going on?
Don't call me babe. Nanama.
How man?
Nanama. Who do you know?
This is my sister.
Hey, shut the fuck out of here.
Oh,
Nanama. Who do you know?
she's my sister, for God's sake.
Nanama.
She's my sister.
Hey.
Oh. I knew it. All this while you were just jealous of me because I've been bringing stuff to the house.
For what reason?
For what reason? So what are you doing here?
I didn't know.
You didn't know. That is why you will never open up to me.
How will I know he's your man? I didn't see his picture. I never saw him.
Because I was wondering. I asked you, who is this man? You told me, oh, he's nothing. He's just in the church, in the church, in the church.
I know you my church.
No, please, don't talk. I don't want you to talk. Don't even dare open your dirty mouth there, okay?
Why are you insulting me? Why will I do that?
Oh, so you really wanted to dress like this? Hmm?
Can you just stop?
Stop what? Church girl. I'm even. Oh God. Where is Ofa? Ofa, come and see your church girl. Your Osofu mame. Look at you. Look at what you are even wearing. Now you are putting on lashes. We shall see. How will you know? Please don't call my name. Don't call my name. Don't even dare call my name with this your dirty mouth. Stupid girl. And I hope you are never coming to the house again.
Ajo, I didn't know.
Don't talk.
I didn't know.
And you are not even ashamed of yourself, sleeping with two sisters.
How could you? You told me you don't have a girlfriend.
Nanama. Me catch you some girlfriend na me boa. Me neno na neti. Omu ade one. On say nini honi. Woni me kasa. Me neno 18 komo. All of a sudden me no brother ma kwatu sa na ma eko. We tukura minim yintia. Osabi dia Nanama.
Right now, I'm frustrated. I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to say.
No, Nanama, don't be frustrated. Nanama.
It's okay.
Nanama, listen.
Just
Nanama.
stop. I'm being calm. Don't touch me.
No.
Don't touch me.
Listen, Nanama. Listen.
Just leave me alone.
Listen,
Don't touch me. Don't.
Listen, Nanama. If
I'm being too calm.
I know,
but just stop. Leave me the fuck alone.
Nanama. Nana.
You do bring your kasi and where do your fruit. Come on. Where you did one and I said,
oh, please don't even dare. Don't talk.
Where?
Don't talk. Don't. I'm pissed right now. I don't want you to talk. Oh, wow. So I can see how jealous you are. You decided to pick the man's number from Auntie's phone and you made a Rama go to his house, right?
Why am I waiting now?
Me made Jimmy.
And then you're saying Winnie.
Me made Jimmy.
They all can't just say. I'm
really.
Boom.
If it's a boom. Now, where are wine? My princess. Where are Oh,
Where's the idea?
I hate you right now, seriously.
What is the problem?
You are just they are jealous of me. I don't know why, Auntie. I'm tired.
Hey.
What is wrong with you? Don't cry.
Can you imagine?
I can't imagine.
When him say me coffee on no, my country rama wa papa no hono.
Hey!
Rama,
I'm a baby.
Amma, also for mama na yenim no.
What's so one?
Osha papa ne fio
Hey.
Osha papa enya no kreben. Papa we na ye me sure say when him say me to phone ni ma oni ntino on any brain ntino wa be papa no be fu.
Atadwe they are chronic no. Mane nya no kro.
Asem si anya botre. What?
Amma se onto ama no why.
Osha papa ne fio no.
Papa why?
Papa ben.
Be ma no be one no. Enya nto ama botre. Enya nya botre asem.
Wo aduana wudi. Men mo fa se na na ma. O incident ni be ma wo ne te okoje ho.
On the bank. Mama ko papa ne fio say o me ko ne ncha na nka me ne na akokasa. Me ko dru ha rama na epia.
Amma se fio.
Enya no kwesi so ha wani na enya no kure.
Onim do shi. Men kasa men sheme bufo kra men kasa. Na onim de rama kan ye who are you? What are you doing in my man's house?
Who is man?
Well, we could actually say I'm on casa. I'm on casa. So be my own to be kwana ma shewa. Who are you? Why are you looking at my house? I'm of us no.
Atadwe mama casa mtro.
I'm of us no.
Ebia na nya no kra mi to nyame. Ebia na nya no kra atadwe so na kwa na kana na so de akwa na cut more you number that film me phone so. Ana mama direction na fra kwa no wa fra papa na obe wale no. Ama tsa na kwasho me boa.
How the entire ankase when you be wadwene wo form.
Oh yes.
When you be wadwene.
Oh yes.
Asamba ya no wa judge ne sem.
Na toni mama. Woni mama.
Ama no de ne boy here de.
Na me den din. Na ko tura ma wan ka jo se me ba me bu baba.
Na wo boy ye ba ku me ma bebre.
Na mo foke up.
Oh mama.
Na man mo foke up mi do nyame. And so relax. You don't trust me. Relax. The issue is my issue. Relax. Maybe it's not a truth.
It's true. What are you saying?
Maybe it's not a truth.
Ma kanya kura ne sa.
Na can be do nyame.
Den mo je fra.
Na sama balance no kura mi do nyame atade. A bet sangana se fonto kwa.
Me sure he's just jealous of me. He wants to.
Sorry, my darling.
I shall for Mongo.
I'm breathing.
Because me sakura no okọ watch night no nyam bedure wan ko be ma biya ho to de mama ne mbra ne me mbisa ne ba biya ko nanama Uvre fa na eba fi.
Okay.
Ni so pie na ufri hefa na eba fie. Ba bia opie koye na ehe. Nana.
Ofa.
Ba bia opie koye afa no ba fie, na hefa no pie koye.
Madam for be hono.
Madam for ben. Madam for ben. I assume you are panicking like how? If I no call your friend over here.
Madam for
we are true for papa. We are true for someone yakoda. At someone who kwada for you all.
And nyabo tere mi.
And I so.
Nyabo tere.
Me so fia be sankan stuff for wo.
Ko nyame. Nyencha me ntro.
Wanu nya yasawo. Wanu nya yikis. Wanu ana yikis no.
Wanja wadam for wan.
Me catch you some no.
Hey, what are you for? Why go some them for?
One can't you say your baby?
How will I know so your baby?
Mommy do mama cut it.
Ama.
Offer.
Ama.
Offer.
Ama.
Offer.
Ama.
Offer.
Unim se. Unu ya ba ya woti hoyi. So wo si guni mu nyina ya se wagene boy.
Offer me do nyame.
Wonim. Hey, mama cut it do ye me hu da do. the way you know, me dey be fruit to na say the yakwa no number. Ana wo frɛ no, ana wo kotua no. E dey me wo wiase ni wo hu obi asa. Wo no ne kunu, oba wa na oni kunu.
Kwa men so fa so hia no.
Me kwa sorry dey say me catch you.
Wo kwa so no aboa wo to ne your friends organ fa no adili. Oya mo the tie for no dili. Akwara oba ma no.
Nye bibi sa.
Oba ma no.
Dina asemba nya botere. Why?
Onya botere sesen. Eya wan ko benya botere. Eya wan ko benya botere.
Ofa onim de ya misiti. Me ntimi nye bibi sa. Anis na me hu say ya adwo boy na makwaje no.
Wonim.
Anti me nim.
Me so ma men kacho ama. Wo ma me wonim me. We do nyame. After you leave the man to your sister.
Me, I don't like him again.
Better in court.
I don't like him.
Better.
Because I didn't know.
Better.
Me nim.
Like you
said, I want to because you say you found.
Yanko.
Chama fuck da.
Auntie me nim.
Kaso yanko.
What want me kwaso say you found. Abuwa. E jaman. O dey sorry you care. And you force me go to. Relax, you can't take it.
What's me chain no?
What's all day?
Me chain.
Wo abuwa jaman na wo di chain. Wo jaman na akra na esika ni chain na o afa. Don't cry again. Don't cry. Relax. I thank God that the man never slept to your sister. I thank God. Now, if I been able to one of the boy and kasa, wouldn't be many issue. Now, crap was so the young colleague. Mama, I won't go. Me ya or buy us on the bum and nasty. As it been the mama, men walk upon a show or buy colors when you're the patrol. And no one ne. When you're not told before, you can't be full only the kind. What is all the kuni mame?
Basso.
One no kuni mame. Or mame kwa na team. Oh ye. What my way but you were Japanese for some.
Auntie menje da auntie.
I'm sorry.
Auntie.
Sorry, can want to see a fix up. One of brand cho. Do I be a sako fio? Na ko na cho tu na no. Sako. E no sa wodu ho a satalitia. Na hip no fo. Wo be be a poba kokko. Wo nyi dru wa no wa bim.
Sir.
Pepe. No. By force. And then na bema no da wi case na si. Bema de bufu se de onya no da wi case na si. Wo tu na maka to no? No. Kola waso de. Wo ma me utu ko me dwoma mabo wi ase. Wo me dwoma mabo wi ase. Me tso want to see. Ni ma bi.
Onya sure si wa konu adua no ofi onom.
Akonu adua na be. Ana nka na go wo. So wanu adua de wuti ate ke donyame. The beer me catch those session, they will see you. One way on it. It's so bad. I feel like my coach, but some coach got some quiet, but saying, who said who I was one. The watch today. Why would they be, sir? Mama, bandada, but they be. What on a quato, so they be. Are they? They be for Papa, or Mama, woman now, or Mama, yes, for Manu Homo. Why would they be antes to say when they away? I put some. Now what time you Mr. Best and gonna stuff for war?
You know what? Why you call Fati? Charlie. Still call no kasa call me.
Yawapa.
I don't like me.
Any ajwa.
Are on Saturday.
Get ya makunyano for free. Obeji di say girl na make na make so a very good girl. Onu aduane ma. Wouldn't say ni nuane ajwa.
Ah, ni nuane ajwa.
Ni nuane ajwa. Ah, wani ni TV o.
Me amajwa.
Wa wajwa.
Giya me kana ye kana se menwe ya.
Ni bi pono na me chim pono na me se me jam phone so mpa ne so. Konfamre me. Ah, meti kwa bi ya. Ajwa ni muni.
Hey.
Oju ho no atone bag atone dey. Masa. Pi. Na me nya ho. Debi, o se me die se bi. Me say pi awana. Nanama be peace. Peace wone no. Na woni a wote nanama no. Kila be srew. Adwa no pa ehin wote. Be so hwehwe ni fi ma no.
Won se me catch you say adwa ne die me ni steez no. E street ni shi ai. ɛna menim baby ɔte baby adwo ate paa na from day na make us me yima na ma block na delete the number kwanti me ni connect bia bio
ka huni bibi mesrew eni ye try na baby ani fi bia hwehwe na mesrew nyasa see ama me friend na ma won fa wo me friend again mpeke me call kwa
nesa adwo ni nya pa
oni natifie
ni para bon samna mo we se me de minya bi enye
bia minyame eye na na bon sam tutun ne ko bi ewo trouble tali ti me sraw kila kebe anka hwehwe gen fi mame because said we see the bufu chifa so man she ya it is sadly kwaro ya wa pa ofi ode ade kwara betimi a we street girl no de ono mini
adwani so na adwuna say you
no
adwuna say
sorry misaw trana ka ya ward bi kwa ko twetwe bi ene ya me misaw
to God for that
misaw ba
mati na me de na kan kwara de me yese o makọ enwan kwara nka pa yiweni and so to say they will come
the can tie o de hwehwe fi ho mani because me yimani enye keke gi ba my life me titi me kan last time me koto aduane di wa abonten na premier ni de bia me ne Robert tuntum na ebo adane me ko tro be ka be ma on power le on pa ko ma bu bia na roba bag kura ne de bia ha
cinema
whatever me be dane gaf na de bia Robert tuntum kura me na me koto aduane no person is serious. So, we should be
Ajwa, I'm so sorry. I didn't know that he was your man. If I knew, come in, Ajwa, you can have him. God being so good, we didn't do anything. I had nothing going on with him.
Bastard. You liar. Oh, you are here to deceive me, right? You think I'm a kid? Huh?
Ajwa, I swear. You know I don't swear, right? I swear.
So what were you doing in his house?
I just go there to help him.
To help him? You're even lying. Why are you lying?
Ajwa.
You're not supposed to lie to me. I'm your sister. If there is anything, you can talk to me. But why are you lying?
That's the main reason I'm not lying to you.
You're not lying.
So
what were you doing in his house?
I said I just went there to cook for him. The time you came there,
you are mad. To cook.
We were even going to the market.
You know to cook, so you went there to cook, right? You went there to cook.
You know,
just like that.
Just
for a man.
Let me finish.
And you were calling him baby. You were even calling him baby.
We were in a relationship, so.
Oh, you're now talking because you told me you just went there to cook.
But we didn't do anything.
You didn't do anything.
Ajwa, we've not had sex, not even a kiss.
Look at you.
It was courtship.
And you want me to believe this? You go there to sleep there. What are you saying? I'm a girl. Please, don't lie to me. Otiasia ben. Open now, only made Janina. Was small to be new Janmano. Just only a and you went there to cook.
I didn't know.
Oh, fuck off.
I said I'm sorry.
Please.
I won't do something like that to you.
Let me tell you something, I trusted you, but you know what you did? I swear to God, I'm never going to trust you again. And I'm not going to call you. Are not even my sister anymore. Don't even dare call me your sister, okay? Don't call me your sister.
Just calm down.
Bastard. You didn't kill your mom. Look at you. Oh, please.
Why should you say all this to me?
Yes, you killed your mom. I didn't know. Oh, you think you killed your mom? You think I don't know? Auntie
why are you bringing my mom into?
Told me everything.
Why are you saying that? I didn't know.
You didn't know what?
I didn't know.
What?
Trust me, I didn't know.
Oh, please.
You can have him.
Yes, I have him already.
Okay.
I have him already.
That's fine.
Oh, you think you can take him away from me?
I don't like him anymore.
From me?
I didn't know. We didn't do anything, and I thank God for that.
I don't like him anymore. I don't like him anymore.
I don't like him.
You just want to get iPhone for uncle. For uncle.
I was not with him because of iPhone. I wasn't with him because of his money.
Because of what? Tell me.
He was just a good person. And he was so good. I didn't know.
That's why you go there to cook for him. You go there to cook for him.
He was helping me.
Helping you.
He even changed my style of dressing.
No. So for mommy like you now, you're wearing shorts. You're happy. You're happy. Oh, clear up. Let me go. Stop it.
I'm trying. I didn't know.
Love is a beautiful thing. It can never be seen, but you can feel it within. Yeah. It's a natural thing. The boss so sweet, sweet love is forcing me to sing. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart. I'm dying. What is happening to me, baby? Girl, you mean a lot to me. I will take you overseas. So tell me how your knees. Girl, I'm trying to sing. I'm fighting to win your heart. I'm dying. What is happening to me, baby? Girl, you mean a lot to me. I will take you overseas. So tell me how your knees. Love is easy when you feel it. You drown in